Hi, my friends, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're working on the coding technique grow and shrink. We need to remember that scale is based on how big a sprite starts out. Changing scale usually involves very small numbers because a small change can make a big difference. We will use this technique anytime we want a sprite to change size during the program. Here's a couple examples. Say we want to make a character grow, or maybe shrink. Or what happens if a character is moving towards us or away from us? It's really important to make it look real. So if they're walking away, we want them to get smaller. If they're walking towards us, it'd be nice if they get bigger. So here's some examples. This technique is just like increment and decrement technique we learned in variables, except that it uses scale instead of variables. Let's go look at a project. So it looks like we have Breeze. I'm going to go ahead and run the program so we can see what we've got so far. It looks like Breeze is going in a circle. She is just spinning. I wonder if she's enjoying the spinning. Let's go change her up a little. So the first thing, I want to think of a goal. Let's make Breeze grow as she spins. So I'm going to go ahead and select Breeze. And I see that we already have an every frame and we have a turn me. So that's the reason she's spinning. I'm going to go to Code Assist and I want to add to the every frame. I'm going to go to the looks and I'm going to set my scale. And because I have a feeling, I'm going to need this one too. So in order to set this, I'm going to add because I want to make it where she keeps getting bigger. Now, to help you out in the math section, you guys, just remember the pattern: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and negative. I'll say it one more time. I say this so that these small signs, you can see that they're kind of small. But if you remember the pattern, you shouldn't be too hard to find out which one you need. So we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and negative. And I know I need the addition, so I'm going to grab the first one, which is addition. So we're going to put it right up here, and I'm going to set my scale, so I'm going to put it right here. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to set it to 0.1. Let's go see what happens. And 0.1 is 1/10 of Breeze's size. Let's see what happens when she starts spinning now. Uh-oh. Look at Breeze grow. And it looks like she's actually slowing down, you guys. It's making the screen look blurry and choppy. Okay, I'm going to stop this. As you may have noticed, that when sprites get very big, they can slow down the program. So let's set up a new goal for Breeze. Let's change the program so that the sprite alternates between growing and shrinking. We can do this with our technique for switching between positive and negative speed. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to go to timing. And we're going to start something with before starts. So I'm going to go to our variables and we're going to set one. I'm going to come right down here, click new, and we're going to say grow speed. I'm going to hit OK because that is what we're going to call it. And we're going to grab our positive number, which is 0.1. Then let's do another timing one to help us out. I'm going to say every 2 seconds. So here on every 2 seconds, you guys, I'm going to go to our variables. We're going to set. And because we're doing every 2 seconds, I have a feeling we're going to set a variable to a variable. We're going to grow speed, but I think we're going to do the negative. So I'm counting my math, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, negative. I need the negative. And I'm going to put it to growth speed. Now, I need to change one more thing up because if I play it now, I don't think much is going to change, except maybe Breeze stays really small because of what it says here, my scale. So I'm going to quick play it to see if this is right, but I think I have to change it. Let's quick go look. So if you notice, nothing is happening. She's getting bigger, but I think we have to change. And I'm going to take this red one and I'm going to duplicate it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it, put it right here so that it will look like I'm setting my scale to my scale to add the growth speed. Now my growth speed, remember, is up here. It's exactly what I wrote, but now I have all the math. So let's go look and see if it does what we think it should do. She's getting bigger. Oh, look, she's getting smaller, bigger, smaller, and she's still spinning. This is way cool. We just learned something new. Now, as you're doing this, remember to have a little fun. Just take a breath. We learn from our mistakes. We keep moving forward. And as you're doing this, remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.